Hello, in this video we will discuss what are the different types of routers present in OSPF. Guys, you can see here a topology. So first of all, we have internal routers. So what do you mean by internal routers? Internal router means the router which are member of a particular area. Actually, in case of OSPF, we specify area on the basis of interfaces. If a router is having multiple interfaces and all those interfaces are member of same area, in that case we can say that is an internal router to that particular area. So in my topology, I can show you this guy, this guy, this guy. If I talk about this guy, so all these routers. So if I talk about these three routers, so these three routers are internal router for which area? Area 1, and this router is internal router for which area? Area 2. Next type of routers that we have is backbone routers. Backbone routers or backbone internal routers are the routers which have all interfaces member of area 0. Like you can see here in the topology, we have a router whose all interfaces are member of area 0. So we call this router backbone or backbone internal router. Next we have ABR. ABR stands for area border router. ABR, it is clear with the name that it will exist on the border of two areas. But there is one condition. ABR will be a router that is having multiple interfaces. On multiple interfaces we are running different areas, but at least one interface should be member of area 0 if you want to configure a router as ABR. Like you can see in this scenario, two interfaces of router are member of area 0, one interface is member of area 1. So I am calling it ABR, area border router. Some authors also called ABR as backbone router. So that is just a name you can use. In last we have ASBR. What do you mean by ASBR? ASBR means a router which is connected to OSPF domain also and some other domain also. For example, on a router you are running EIGRP and OSPF at the same time. On one interface you are running OSPF, on other interface you are running EIGRP. Like you can see here. So this link is actually an external link. These two are internal links. So we can call this router ASBR. ASBR stands for Autonomous System Border Router. It means with the help of this router, we can go out of OSPF domain or we can redistribute routes from other domain into OSPF. So guys, in this video we have discussed how many types of routers are there in OSPF. Thank you.